Sexy, I know.
Oh man.
Pull the mechanical foreskin back. Oh my god, this is a disaster. So yeah, obviously now you've got... Hello and welcome back to my Discovery 3. Today is sunny.
God, it's lovely out.
So we're going to try and sort out this boot. First things first, got to get the boot open, but I can't get in the boot, so I'm going to have to do that via the back seats. This bra is for a GoPro. If we can figure out how to put it on, I'll put it on. Sexy, I know. I suppose we'll try it. It's just was ready, but I don't think it'll work. No.
Oh man. How do I do this?
Oh, I got you, little stag. Oh my god, this is a disaster. Oh. Yes! Oh, fire. Kind of releases it. So yeah, obviously now you've got... Oh shit. Oh, there we go. But yeah, so you couldn't see it earlier with these. Yeah, it's tough to tell. Ta-da! Remove that. Throw that as far away as possible. Goodbye. Pull the mechanical foreskin back. Okay, 1 is biting, 2 is biting, like that. And then we'll pop this in there like so. It just clicks in. I'm gonna test my theory. Oh yeah, I need to plug it back in, don't I? Don't forget to plug it in.
Don't forget to plug it in.
Right, and I'll put the cover back on because if it doesn't work, I don't want to have to try and struggle to get to the... Okay. Do we think this is going to work? That's not even clicking. Oh, yes, it fucking does. Right, so that means we've got a dicky button because the button on the tailgate didn't work when I couldn't see it. See it? That doesn't work. Well, I've got a new button. Don't think I was yet to say, but at least this should work now. So press the button on the bottom. Hey! Who bloody knows? Right, how does this work? Yeah, that's tight. Tight. Doit, 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 like a tiger. The rain guard. And go back on, I believe, yeah. Like so. Don't forget to plug it in. Next, please. So, let's see. These all should just clip, 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 clip.
Don't forget to plug it in.
These back in. These can go back in. Well, look very. Do it. Do it. Oh, there we go. Screws to go in there.
Don't forget to plug it in.
Oh, there goes Mr. Muff again. Okay, so that's shut properly. That button doesn't work. We'll get to that. But this button, don't forget to plug it in, also doesn't work. Sake. Oh my god. Sake. Why doesn't it work?
One eternity later.
Unbelievably. You wouldn't believe what I did. You watched me do it. I didn't. What didn't I do? Reconnect the actuator. That's right. What a f***ing moron. So I've just had to do this all again from the inside. Release the tailgate because it wouldn't open. Oh my god. So we'll just do all this again, yeah? Please. Can't wait. What are you doing, James? Look, not plugged in. Plug it in. You moron. You moron, 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 moron. It's exactly the sort of thing I do this, honestly. If this doesn't work, I'm migrating. Never publishing this video. Please work.